Good morning guys! So andito na tayo ngayon sa RAWABI farm. We will start our journey and thank you for RAWABI management for providing us a tour guide during our tour. Hi guys! Good morning! We are now here in RAWABI farm. So, sasakay kami ngayon sa bus ng RAWABI.
Good morning.
How's everyone?
Good.
We're good, we feel good.
A little excited or yeah?
Excited.
Excited. Take video mo naman.
Excited. You guys can open your drapes because we are going to have the tour in the bus.
Yeah.
Okay. Open the drapes. You won't get down.
Open, please.
So welcome to RAWABI.
Thank
My
you.
name is Aisha. I'll be here with you for the farm tour today. I'll give you a short brief that how our farm tour is going to be today. First, we are going to the milking parlor where I will show you all the cows coming into the area, into the milking parlor, and how they're standing in a queue and how to.
So, this is the first stop. Ito yung tinatawag nilang museum kung saan andito yung mga cows nga nagbi-milk. At they have 3 milking parlors which has 220 cows, and each cow will milked 3 times in a day. So welcome to museum.
Siyempre magsunod-sunod kasi. Asa na dito? Dito ka. Kasi. Dito ka na. Hi guys, andito kami ni Sir Yolo guys.
May guest.
Pwede ba dito guys?
Walang picture. Ano lang to? Video lang to. Thanks a lot. Making of
Oh my God, sir, ako gamitin ang cellphone mo.
Amoy baka dito.
Pangit naman kung maamoy ano. Kambing.
May camel din.
May camel.
Camel.
There's comments there.
Keep moving. Make yourselves adjust in the windows in the right and the left. Keep moving at the end.
Okay.
Have a look at the windows. Don't open the windows, please.
So, ito isa sa mga milking parlor nila. And there's a cow there. A lot of cows.
That's the way how they do it.
Almost 33 years. Our CEO is Dr.
Tour guide,
Tijani. He's
Miss
a tough
Aisha.
guy. He started at RAWABI with only
Exception
500 cows. But now we have more than 17,000
the
cows.
history,
And we have
the
more than 9,000 cows who are
Here
milking.
it down.
Why I keep saying more than, I'll explain you in a bit if you guys remember asking me. So the process, what exactly is happening here, I'll just explain you that, then we'll head towards the bus, or if you want to like. So this is the milking parlor. We have like three milking parlors. It's 24/7. So everyone's back?
Yes.
Nobody's left behind. Check your seat. We used to get that when we were in school, right? Remember?
Yes.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Check
The
your
bus.
seat. If your friend is not there, you're responsible. So yeah, it happens. So now we are heading towards the farm itself. We'll show you all the cows where they're sitting, the barns basically.
Okay.
So I was talking about the part from where they come and go. These are the carts we have to
okay.
create. So once we open, you can have a look. These cows are coming. Maybe they have finished the milking process and they're going back to their home.
Each room.
She's tired.
No, they look lazy always like me. Yeah, because brothers are like that, so they used to call me cow.
See,
If you can see inside the barns, there on the top, on the roof, we have installed the cooling system inside. Just have a look outside and listen to me. So these are the cooling system we installed because these cows are Holstein Friesian breed. We'll be heading towards the young stock unit. So we're going into the young stock unit where these cows are not the milking ones. So this is the reason that the number keeps fluctuating for the milking cows. As I said, 17,000, more than 17,000 cows we have for the milking, and more than 9,000 for the milking process. The total is 17. So these few of them are on breastfeeding, others are here. They're selling. So we do the artificial inseminations to get the cows pregnant. So once they reach to a specific height and weight, where they can carry the baby, we do the inseminations, get the cows pregnant, and then the milk process starts basically. So I'll explain it a little bit because in this area, once we enter, nobody is listening. They are just having a look at the baby. Because the cows are there. So have a look, then I'll explain. Oh,
Kalukoy, murag kanding na yun. Wala. Kalukoy, longging. Cute babies.
On your right side is the area where we keep the cow dung. We use the cow dung for ourselves and we sell few of it to the Dubai municipality for the agriculture purposes. And again on your right side we have a new project coming up for biogas plant. Because it's a big land to maintain, so we are coming up with our own gas and electricity. But still we have to pay the CY and DIVA.
Yeah.
So don't think of that. Even for the workers, in the starting I said, oh, they are coming up with a gas plant or something. No, but we have to still go for that. It's just for the land to maintain. So that's the reason we are using the cow dung for ourselves as well. Now we are heading towards the food division area where we keep all the food for the cows. It's a huge area. Anyone can tell me what do cows eat?
Grass.
Grass. I used to think that, but cows do eat grass, but we are giving them different kind of grasses along with cereals, barley, maize. We crush them in a form that it's easier for the cows to chew. We crush the grasses in a form, it's really easier, and we mix them together and then we give it to the cows. So on your right side you'll be able to see that side. Give a second. So these are the machineries which crush the grasses. On your right side are the machineries which cut the grasses in a form. It's really similar form. But imagine if we grow the grasses, because few of the people used to ask me that grow the grasses where the cows are sitting, because if we grow that grass, it's not healthier enough for them to chew. It's just for a good walk. These are the warehouses where we keep the crushed cereals, barley, maize, imported all over from the world. Basically from those countries which have higher percentage of agriculture, like South Africa, Turkey. And on your left side, you'll be able to see the big 3 silos.
Yes.
Guys at the back, you guys can hear me? Yeah, these are the big 3 silos we have. We store the food for 6 months in them. You'll be able to see it clearly once you dig around. And on your right side, these down area, these are the machineries to crush the cereals. We crush them in a form that it looks like a fan although, but it's not. So we crush the cereals, barley, maize and the grass itself, and we mix them with the date syrup. So it's easier for the cows to digest really quickly. Because it's afternoon, they cannot go for a walk, because it's really hot. Even I don't go. So it's easier for the cows to digest, and in the evening time after the tea break, so they are going for a walk. Because the walk is important for the cows. So you guys can help me buy RAWABI products so we can have lesser expiry. Promote. See, only one is intelligent here, I guess. You can have a look at the windows, the big windows in the building. These are the cold storage areas. Everyone can notice the big windows? Yes. Guys at the back, are you sleeping? Is it too boring or am I too boring? You're awake? You want tea? Even I need tea, but I cannot get. Yes. See, just listening to the tea, they can get. Okay, just to wake you up, I'm not giving the beep. Sorry. So these are the cold storage areas. Just have a look once again and let me ask one question. So once we get the raw milk, what do we do with it? Once we get the raw milk, guys, so the first process we do with the milk is what? Anyone?
Pasteurize.
Yes. Thank you. Pasteurization. We do the pasteurization for the milk. Once we get the milk, it's transported through the pipes to the silver tankers. I will show you in the front. These silver tankers transport the milk into the milk silos where we store the milk and let them cool down naturally, and after that we start the process. Then these are transported into the cold storage area I showed. We switch on the trucks, the engines basically. Once the trucks are 2 to 5 degrees chilled enough, then these trucks are going into those big windows and the products are basically transported into the trucks. So there is no chance of the sun exposure for the products.
This is our last stop. Very fun. Our lobby is very fun, refreshing. We're here. Hi. Good morning.
Upstairs, we go upstairs.
Hi.
Saan na ba?
Pasok tayo dyan.
Ay, may libre.
Ito yun. Processing na ano. Okay. This is where they process the milk.
Ayun, at gumaandar yung mga ano, mga bote. Ayun na.
Ang linis naman pala.
Nakalagay. Ay,
Hi, my friend.
Ay, nakakit talaga na
My
yung pananay
friend.
ko.
Baka naman my friend.
Grabe lang. Oh, low fat. Say hi to my vlog.
So, ang linis naman pala dito, no?
Super linis. Tingnan mo.
Maintain talaga nila yung ano ba.
Tsaka machine na kasi naglilinis.
Tsaka yung ano nila, yung surroundings. Yun ano. Yung mismo. Ito na. Para mga students. Ang galing mo.
Ha? Inano?
Ang haba pala ng proseso. Huwag yun na i-expired yung kung ano
Yung ano, wow, yung milk.
Wala naman kami expert sa'yo.
Yung mga buti, oh. Ang laki ng buti. Ang galing.
Oh yeah.
Makakapagod ba yung
These
trabaho
are what
pagtingin
everything is kept inside the big room. And after that, it's
maglalagay ka
Ayan.
pati yumuyuko ka.
Oo, marami din tao dito.
Naalala ko talaga yung trabaho ko sa kanila. Sa amin naman din isda.
where the juice
Pero pag yuyuko ka, matakit sa likod.
The juice plant, as I said, that it's right now it's closed.
Closed Sunday.
Exactly
Sunday.
the same as this one. The plants and the guys you can see working like these.
Shifting on you.
mapagod siya kasi tuloy-tuloy siya ba? Hindi pwedeng open-ending.
So, we're done here, guys. In RAWABI farm. Pabalik na kami sa aming bus. So, this is the last. Thank you, RAWABI. Thank you, ENOC, for this trip, for this experience. Nakita namin yung farm ni RAWABI. Thank you guys for watching.